when you create a domain, every time you have to sign in, you have to come into your domain. So for example, this one, our domain is pitchcloud.pitch.link. If I come here, this is the page it will show me. All right. So you get this page. I have my password which is already saved, so I can just hit submit and get in. If for any reason you do not remember the password, it's very easy to just ask for get code. Whatever is your registered email ID, a code will be, a 6-digit code will be sent to you, and you can put it in and hit submit and you can get in. So it's never a problem to reset the password, and once you get in you can reset the password. Anyway, in this case the password is already there. I hit submit and I get to my dashboard. So this is the sales. I'm in the sales profile. So we need to talk a bit about the profiles. If you are the person who has signed up for the account, you will by default have an admin profile and you have a sales profile. Both the profiles will be available to you. When you add team members, you can assign different roles like IT, marketing, and so on. Each of the roles have their definite activities that they can do. But to send out pitches, you essentially have to be in the sales role. So by default, you get into, when you sign in, you get into the sales role. To switch to the admin, you click on this and you can click on switch to admin and it will switch, and I'll show it to you a bit later. This is your dashboard. This is where the broad statistics of what you have been doing shows up. So pitches viewed, pitches sent, how many prospects were engaged and how many were completed and so on. This completion is at your hand. So we'll again revisit that later, where you say it's closed or it's frozen and so on. When you set it to that, it will be showing up as completed. Here the most viewed files will be visible, so you can always know which files you are using and which files people are watching. These are essentially the latest comments that are happening. So all the conversations that you are happening, that you are having with your prospects, all the comments will show up here. And the beauty of this is it's not only a listing, but these are also interactive, which means if I have got a new comment on this pitch, which is requesting for your feedback from Nimanya Divak, if I click on that, it will open that pitch and it will take me into that conversation thread. That's how it works. These are a couple of things that you can do. This will take you to the knowledge base. If you click on this quick start guide, this, especially when you are new, if you click on this, it will show you a pitch in action, which means how the pitch flows and what is the look and feel of the pitch. And this one helps you to book a one-on-one demo, which we always recommend. And this shows the topmost sent out pitches and some stats related to that. So that's your dashboard. Here you get notifications. So all the notifications, some of them which are showing up here and more will show up here, and typically you will see a number here if there are new notifications. If you want to see all of them, you can click that, and again it will open up all the notifications and you can essentially view them or delete them. You can do whatever you want. These are your broad controls and access to various core functionalities. This one is content. This one is pitches. This is where you build your pitches. This is where you save and add all your contacts. This is from where you engage. So the pitches you sent out, the conversation component, you can exercise from here. This is where you see analytics. But remember, you can only see analytics when you have been given explicit permission. So without that, no analytics. Then these are the integrations. Currently we have an integration with Zoho CRM. And this is from where you send out invites. This earns you some additional time, and sometimes it will allow you to get some extra storage and some other benefits. Right now, if you send out invites and people sign up, you get additional usage of the product.